Magsugod na ang biritan sa mga chikiting sa The Voice Kids karong Dominggo, September 14. All set na ang stage alang sa powerful comeback sa The Voice Kids. Hosted by Kapuso Primetime King Ding Dong Dantes, mubalik ang The Voice Kids with bigger voices, bigger dreams ug dugang bagong coaches. Ana gihapon sila Asia's Limitless star Julian San Jose ug international singer, dancer and host Billy Crawford isip coach apan madugang sila hitmaker, singer, songwriter and producer Zach Tabudlo ug ang first ever double chair with twins Miguel and Paulo sa bandang Ben and Ben. Gawa sa powerhouse coaching lineup, angay atangan ang fresh batch of young artists sa tibok nasud nga magbiritan sa blind auditions and battle rounds. Ug mulangkob sa Jewel Squad with Coach Julie, Team Bilib with Coach Billy, Project Z with Coach Zach, and Bencada with Coaches Paulo and Miguel. Sa Domingo na kana, September 14, 7 p.m. sa GMA.